In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to install an HP LaserJet M706N printer on your network using a static IP address. Connect one end of an Ethernet cable to the printer and the other end to an available port on your router or network switch. Make sure the internet is being accessed through this LAN cable. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. Power on the printer and wait for it to fully initialize. The network interface should become active. Set a static IP address on the printer. You set your IP address. Manually configure the following IP settings. IP address 192.168.0.81. Subnet mask. Gateway 192.168.0.1. Save the settings and exit the menu. Open a web browser. Search for HP Universal Printing driver. Select and download the Windows 64-bit PCL6 version of the driver. Locate the downloaded file and double-click it to run the installer. Install.exe. Click Yes to allow the app to make changes. At the Installation Mode screen, choose Dynamic Mode and click Next. The installer will search for printers. When you see HP Universal Printing PCL6 appear, select it and click Next. Click Customize your printer or add a network printer. In the address field, enter the static IP you set earlier, 192.168.0.81. Ensure the detection method is set to printer name or IP address and click OK. Complete the remaining installation prompts. You should see a confirmation message, successfully added the printer. To confirm everything is working, open a document, Microsoft Word file. Type test print and go to File. Select your new HP LaserJet M706N printer with IP address and click Print. If the test page prints successfully, your network printer installation is complete. Thank you for following this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with others who might benefit from it.